Welcome to LVCLAD. Today topic is type definition. It is useful for making the customized control in indicator. How to make that customized control with the existing numeric control or boolean or string control that we can see. Let's replace the control on the front panel. Then there is option to make customize. So that is a right click on the particular control, advanced, then customize. Then there will be a three modes will be there: control, type definition, strict type definition. Let us move on to the hands-on, then we will make some customized to understand the better way. Okay, I am just making one boolean customer control. I'm just replacing one push button. Okay, just right click, advance, customize. Okay, you can able to have this type of window. Another one method also there, like just right click, make type def, then open type def. So that time the window will be opened. So here that options are everything is there, right? And here you could not able to do any customization of this icon. Okay, to make customization of this icon, instead of this oval shape icon, no, I'm just making one clip art and I'm just replacing there. Okay, when it is a true and false, we are just going to make a different icon for that case. Okay, change it to the customize mode, then just right click over that oval shape. Then there is option to select the clip art now, that is import from file at the same size. Then I have already that few clip arts or PNG files. It is readily available from the net, you can able to download it. So I'm just making the false condition with red color, this type of power button. Okay, and I just want to make it to true. Further I just want to introduce, so for again I change it to the customize mode. Again import from file size, that the green color is going to be given. So if it is false, red color power button will be there. If it is a true, that green color power button will be there. So here some already the existing icon that buttons are there. No, you can able to hide it. Just click the particular button and there is option to reorder. In that you can make it as that particular file you want to make it to move to the front. So now that has been hidden. Okay, then it is available. Then you can have this type of customized content, right? Here the red color and the green color will be there, you can differentiate it. So this is a way to make it. So here the type definition is available and you can save this file, right? And this file have been saved. Once we are closing, again it will ask you to save. Again it has been updated. Okay, these things are there, right? So now it is not updated. So again you go to the open type def. Here you make it as a strict type def. You just save it. Now it has been updated. So this is the difference, right? Then I will make the main difference between the type definition and strict type definition once again with the numeric control. I am just replacing the numeric control. I made it with the type definition, right? Then I will take a duplicate copy of this particular numeric control, right? Whatever the changes I'm making, the same thing will be replicated here also. So you can see that type definition symbol is available with that right angle triangle on the corner left side. Okay, that is a thing you can able to see that whether that icon is type defined or customized one, right? Now I want to make this background color of this numeric control in a different way. So go to the tools palette. I already have a green color. Just open type def, then click this one and change the background color. Now that mode is type definition. Okay, now you save this, right? It has been saved. but it is not updated with the background color. Okay, the reason is we are not choosing the strict type definition. That is the reason we are not, it is not updating. But actual type definition is having this background is a green, so that one you have to make it as a strict type def, then save it, then you close, then automatically it will be updated. These are the main differences between those three procedure of custom control. If you are having a control mode, what will happen? If you are taking the duplicate copy, they are independent. If you are changing the source control, the duplicate copy never be updated. And a normal type definition is you can add the number of cases in the enum and cluster, that is possible. Strict type definition can be used for updating that background color and this customized icon. These things we can able to make it. So all the instances, if you want to update, like cases increase, you can use the type definition, and here strict type definition you can able to make all the things except that label, description and default value. Thanks for watching video. You can follow us in the name of LVC LED in Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.